A 30-day diet plan for weight loss should include a combination of healthy eating and regular exercise. Here is an example of a daily meal plan. Breakfast: whole wheat toast with peanut butter and banana. Scrambled eggs with veggies, spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms. Green smoothie: spinach, kale, Greek yogurt, berries, banana, almond milk. Snack: apple slices with almond butter. Greek yogurt with berries. Carrots and hummus. Lunch: grilled chicken breast with quinoa and mixed veggies, broccoli, bell peppers, zucchini. Turkey and cheese wrap with lettuce and tomato. Black bean and sweet potato tacos with salsa and avocado. Snack: cucumber and tomato salad with balsamic vinaigrette. Celery with peanut butter. Small handful of almonds. Dinner: baked salmon with sweet potato and green beans. Grilled chicken breast with roasted vegetables, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, bell peppers. Spaghetti squash with turkey meat sauce and a side salad. It is important to also make sure you are getting enough protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Additionally, it is recommended to drink at least 8 cups of water per day and limit sugary drinks and alcohol. As for exercise, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio such as walking, running, cycling, or swimming, 3 to 5 days a week. Consult with a doctor or nutritionist before starting any diet.